Hello and welcome back to My Practice Magic software training. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to enter a one-week post-op survey. One-week post-op survey data entry is done in the same way as it's done on SharePoint. The only difference with this system is the patient must have surgical information already entered in beforehand, and that of course is done using the surgical information tool. To access the one-week post-op survey, click on the one-week post-op survey link in the administration panel. When the form opens, a list of completed surveys will appear in the center of the screen. In our example here, there are no completed one-week surveys to show, so let's add one to the list. To create a new survey, click on the green plus button found in the bottom right corner of the list window. From there, the one-week post-op survey form opens. The survey itself is nearly identical to the one found on SharePoint. The big difference here, though, less data entry. Once you select a patient, the basic information at the top of the screen will be pre-populated. Now, when you've completed the survey, save it and exit the form by clicking on the green check mark located at the top right corner of the form. If you need to cancel out of the survey without saving it, click on the green arrow. To begin a survey, start by selecting the patient using the magnifying glass icon to the right of the Select Patient field. As I mentioned before, only patients that have surgical information entered into the system will appear in this search form. If you haven't entered in the surgery using the surgical information tool, they won't appear here. So I have one patient in my list. I'll enter a survey for him. To select the patient, simply double-click on the line showing the patient's name or click once on the line and then click OK. I'll give it a double-click. And as you can see, all of the basic information has been pre-populated. The remainder of the survey, with the exception of additional comments, is completed using selections and radio buttons. So, I can select my patient care consultant and who the appointment was completed by, and then all the remaining survey questions. And again, once you get to the value question, simply select the radio button that goes along with that particular survey question. And then fill in any additional comments as needed. Now that the survey is complete, I can save and exit the form by clicking the green check mark. I'll get a confirmation that I want to save it. Click OK. And we are now returned to the list of completed surveys. Surveys that appear in this list can be viewed or modified using the eye and pencil icons found at the bottom right corner of the form. To view the survey, click on the eye icon. And here you're presented with a read-only view of the survey. Click the green arrow button to exit. To modify the survey, click on the pencil icon. And the form that opens has editable fields. To save changes to the survey, click on the green checkmark button. And to cancel any changes you've made, click on the arrow icon. Now in this survey, I'll go ahead and change the Return to Work field. Now I'll go ahead and save my changes. And now in the list view, I can see the change I made is reflected in the Return to Work column. Now that I'm finished entering my survey, I want to go ahead and get back to my main screen And to do that, simply click on the house icon located at the very top of the screen. And now I'm back to my main screen. So there you have it, how a 1-week post-op survey is entered.